Sometimes you need something simple, yet eye-catching, to make you hear a section turn heads, and we've got just the right effect to make that happen. So today we'll explore how to recreate this striking animation effect without any coding on Tilda. For this layout, we'll work with animation effects for the video clip, then add some typography animation to make the heading and body text more dynamic. First, let's work on the background video reveal effect. You can now upload videos onto your website directly from your computer, and that's what we're going to use today. I will upload the video. To create a reveal effect animation, select the video clip and go to step-by-step animation. Choose block on screen and the event. This way, the animation will start once the block appears on the screen. Add a new step. Set the duration to 0 seconds and scale it down to 30%. Now you have a starting point for your animation. Next, let's expand it to fill the entire screen by adding a second step. Here, set the duration to 0.3 seconds and scale it up to 100%. Now the clip is going to show up and smoothly expand from a smaller state. Let's check it out. While everything works as intended, the animation feels a bit plain. And this is where the easing curve comes in handy. Animation easing controls the speed of an animation, making motions feel more natural by varying how it starts and ends. To learn more about this tool, check out our guide on advanced animation easing in ZeroBlock. The link is in the description. In the second step, go to Easing and choose Easing Out, a preset that makes the animation smooth at both the beginning and the end. Now let's make the heading typography more eye-catching by adding some animation as well. Select the text element and go to Basic Animation. Here, choose Fade and Left. Set the duration to 0.6 seconds and the distance to 150 pixels. We have set it up so that the text appears over 0.6 seconds while moving 150 pixels to the left. Copy the animation settings. Select the text next to the heading and paste the animation. Adjust the movement distance to 50 pixels and set the delay to 0.3 seconds. This ensures that the text layers don't appear simultaneously. Let's check it out. Great, it works as intended. Let's move on to the final animation for this text on the right. Select the text layer and go to step-by-step animation. Add the first step. Set the duration to 0 seconds, opacity to 0%. Then add the second step. Duration 0.1, opacity 100. Step 3, duration 0.1, opacity 0. Step 4, duration 0.1, opacity 100. Step 5, duration 0.2, opacity 0. Step 6, duration 0.2, opacity 100. Let's check out the animation. Now, before appearing on the screen, the text elements flickers, creating a techy vibe that fits the brand. Similarly as before, you can copy the animation settings and apply them to other elements. Here's how it would work. Now let's adapt our animation for mobile. Go to Mobile View and click the Switch On button. This way, the animation will play on mobile devices as well. You can also adjust the parameters to match a smaller screen in the element settings on the right. For example, you can decrease the animation distance for the heading to about 100 pixels, like this. Now the animation works perfectly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to grab a template of the effect that we have built today, check out the description below. Bye!